If you're trying to decide between SaleHoo and Modalyst for your dropshipping business, you're probably wondering which platform offers the most flexible pricing. Both claim to be the best at what they do, but when it comes to pricing flexibility, there are some key differences you should know about. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform suits your needs. Let's kick things off with SaleHoo. One thing SaleHoo is known for is its upfront pricing structure. For $67 a year, you get access to their entire supplier directory, which gives you the ability to connect with a vast network of verified suppliers. No surprise costs here, what you see is what you get. But here's the catch, while SaleHoo is affordable, the flexibility isn't as great as some would like. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, you might find that a yearly subscription might feel like a bigger investment compared to other platforms that offer monthly payment options. Next thing, let's look at Modalyst. Modalyst offers a bit more pricing flexibility, especially for those who want to start dropshipping without committing to a yearly subscription right away. They have a free plan which gives you access to a limited number of suppliers, perfect if you want to test things out. For the Pro plan, it's $35 per month, which grants you access to a larger pool of suppliers and features. However, if you want access to premium suppliers, like branded items, the price jumps significantly to $90 per month. Now, here's where things get interesting. Both platforms provide solid supplier networks, but with SaleHoo, you pay upfront for the full year. While the cost might be cheaper overall compared to Modalyst monthly payments, it can feel like a bigger commitment. Modalyst, on the other hand, lets you scale your subscription, but when you go premium, the price becomes much steeper. If you're trying to minimize costs, this might not be ideal, especially if you're testing products or have a smaller budget. The fourth thing to consider is the quality of suppliers. SaleHoo suppliers tend to be very reliable and vetted, which is great for peace of mind, but the platform doesn't necessarily offer access to big-name brands. Modalyst, especially at the premium level, gives you access to those high-end suppliers and even branded products. If you're targeting a niche market where brand names matter, Modalyst has a clear advantage, but again, that premium access comes at a price. Next, let's talk about features. SaleHoo's features are pretty standard: supplier directory, research tools, and community support. It's a bit more hands-off in terms of automation, but it's a great platform if you want a simpler, no-frills option. On the other hand, Modalyst offers automatic product imports, syncing to your store, and more integration with e-commerce platforms. These features make Modalyst a bit more dynamic and convenient for scaling your business, but as mentioned, they come with a higher price tag. Finally, if you're really set on flexible pricing, it's worth noting that neither platform offers a truly pay-as-you-go model. If you're looking for a dropshipping platform that offers more flexibility with your budget and growth, it's worth considering alternatives. And here's where I want to share my own experience. While both SaleHoo and Modalyst are solid options, after trying both for myself, I found that they can be limiting when it comes to truly customizable pricing plans. If you're looking for something more tailored to your specific goals and needs, especially when it comes to cost flexibility, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial to a better alternative. It offers more pricing flexibility, exclusive benefits, and access to more features that can help your business scale. If you've made it this far, you now know that while SaleHoo and Modalyst each have their strengths, they both fall short in offering complete flexibility when it comes to pricing. Don't miss out. Check out the link in the description for a better solution.